Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we're working on that CLK Mercedes right here, and we're going to show you how to remove and replace bulbs guys. We're talking about tail light bulbs. We'll demonstrate for reverse brake, everything here, okay, inside and outside. So stay with us and we will show you how to do that now guys. So we'll demonstrate guys on the left side, the right side will be identical, so we can just do one, okay. And now this one right here, the top one, this is a turn signal right here. Then you have a brake light and tail light as well next to it. So in order to get to the light bulbs, what we'll need to do, okay, you can see that carpet piece, okay, that one covers the lights, tail lights like that. So you just pull it out. And now there is two things that we need to squish towards each other, okay, right there, okay. And you can pull it out, just be careful there. And all the lights will come out of there. If you want to unhook it, actually you can disconnect that wire here, okay, and you will have more room. And you can see one of our light bulbs is down, and good thing because we'll be replacing that one now. Alright guys, in our case this bulb is messed up, so we're gonna use pliers. You need to push down and turn. Okay, let us demonstrate on this one. This is the turn signal, the top one. So you push down and you turn counterclockwise. Okay, this is the bulb, okay, right here you can see. So when you're ready guys to install it, all we have to do, okay, you just get it in and you turn, okay, clockwise this time. And we have one more. This is just a tail light, a small tail light bulb right there. All of them are exactly identical procedure, all bulbs, okay. And this one here is a brake light and tail light as well. Okay, you can see there is two bumps, one is higher than the other. Okay, this one here is higher than this one. So it goes only one way, okay, like that. And you turn clockwise again. And now we're ready to install it guys. So we just push it in, okay, until it clicks and it doesn't move anywhere, and we install the carpet thing. Now the top one, this one right here, is for reverse light. And I think this one is the fog light. Okay, so those you don't need to remove anything. You just remove the little piece of carpet there, turn counterclockwise, and you can have the bulb out. Okay, now all you have to do, you just turn and pull it out of there. Okay, you can see just the same procedure, and we're going to install it now. Okay, right there. And now this is the other hole for reverse that we're working on right now, and it's exactly the same procedure, and you just put everything together the same way it was guys. Thank you for watching. Many videos on that CLK W208 Mercedes coming. We'll have more than 100, so please subscribe, let us know if you have any questions, and let's grow that channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.